Every touch of extreme color begins with a commitment to quality. Every exhibition appearance highlights our professional strength. Zinuo Masterbatch, focusing on polymer color and functional solutions. Made with hardcore intelligence, build a solid foundation for quality. We create an industry-leading fully automated production system. Guarantee the stability and consistency of each batch of products from the source. We support sample customization and color customization, relying on professional R&D capabilities and massive formula databases. Technicians accurately match color and performance requirements. Complete the exclusive formula development and first round of proofing. Make sure the sample effect exactly matches customer expectations. We provide free door-to-door one-to-one on-site testing services in the province. Fulfill promises with professionalism and win recognition with results. Improve the supply chain system to ensure efficient delivery of bulk orders. Ingenuity makes color and understands people's hearts better. We always adhere to people-oriented. Gather the team with warmth and go to the distance with one heart. Every holiday company, every thoughtful benefit. It is our sincerest respect for our employees. It is also the foundation for the long-term development of the enterprise. A group of people, one heart, one thing, a lifetime. With excellent product strength and perfect service system. Our customers are located all over the country. Exported to many overseas countries and regions. Become a trusted color partner for thousands of enterprises. As small as a particle, as large as thousands of finished products. We use the ultimate color to empower all walks of life and light up thousands of lives. Behind every achievement, all colleagues move forward side by side. Behind every trust is our commitment to quality. Ingenuity makes color, quality wins the future. Zinuo Color Masterbatch always takes quality is more beautiful than color as its purpose. Adhere to the original intention of quality and deepen technological innovation. Willing to join hands with all partners to go to the new journey and create greater brilliance.